In front of me is Motorola Moto S50, and today I would like to show you how you can delete the password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to access passwords and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google. Sorry, misclick. Select Google Password Manager and tap on one of your passwords to get rid of. Then enter your screen lock. Tap on Delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!